Mysteries!
Hello, and welcome to another More on Math Minecraft Mystery. My name is Mr. Moore, and I'll be your guide. In this episode, I'm making some changes. My dirt house is gonna go bye-bye. It's gonna be demolished. Bye-bye, house. My carrot garden, looking beautiful, is gonna have to move somewhere else because this whole space is going to be converted into the More on Math Minecraft Academy, where I will be doing mathematics in the world of Minecraft. And so I had to knock down this dirt house, my hobbit hole, and replace it with a giant stone building. So in the meantime, I've built a temporary residence for myself off campus, away from my school. That's what off campus means. So I've come over here to this cave, and I've blocked up this cave, and made it my More on Math Minecraft Mysteries temporary off-campus housing. Let's go look inside. So it's very snazzy. I've got a bed, I've got a chest, I've got a crafting table, and another chest over there, and I have some space under the stairs here. So, yeah, here's my temporary housing while I knock down my school. Anyway, in today's episode, I've got a lot of stone that I need to cook so I can turn it into stone bricks, because I want to build my new school out of stone bricks, because I don't like cobblestone. Let's go take a look at how much stone I've collected. So here's my chest of stone, and you may notice I've got 50, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 832 pieces of cobblestone in this chest. And I want to cook it all and change it into stone, regular old stone, so I can make it into stone bricks. My question is, if I can fit 64 of these cobblestone blocks into a furnace, how many furnaces will I need for all 832 pieces of cobblestone? It's a mystery. In fact, it's today's Minecraft mystery. Quick! Go to the math cave! Ah! Our Minecraft mystery of the day is I have 832 blocks of cobblestone. I can cook 64 blocks of cobblestone at one time in a furnace. How many furnaces do I need to cook all of my cobblestone at once? Pause the video, solve the problem, and come on back when you think you have a solution. Welcome back. So, I have 832 blocks. I can cook 64 blocks at a time. How many furnaces do I need to cook all my blocks at once? That sounds tough. And when math gets tough, we go to the magical whiteboard. Push to activate. Bam! Let's make a list of what we know. I have 832 blocks of cobblestone. I can fit 64 blocks of cobblestone in a furnace at one time. And I want to know how many furnaces I would need to cook all of my cobblestone at once. What type of problem is this? When I'm not sure, I draw a quick picture to figure it out. So I have 832 blocks of cobblestone in this big pile, and I want to put 64 of those blocks in a furnace. And I want to keep doing that until I run out of cobblestone. And I want to know how many groups it'll take me, so I'm taking something and sharing it out in equal chunks until I run out of stuff. So this is definitely a division problem. So let's set up our numerical expression. Let's see, I have 832 things, so that's my dividend. And I'm breaking it up into chunks of 64, so that's my divisor. That's how I'm breaking it up. So the expression I'm going to use to solve this problem is 832 divided by 64. Before I get started, though, I want to do a quick estimate. When I estimate, I want to think of a number near 832 that I know for sure I can divide easily by 64. And the closest one I can think of is 640 because I know that 640 divided by 64 is just 10 because 10 times 64 is 640. So I know my real answer should be close to, but a little bit bigger than 10 because 832 is close to, but a little bit bigger than 640. So that will be my guide as I start my problem. For today's problem, I will be using partial quotients to solve it. So let me set my problem up. And so remember, when I use partial quotients, I'm thinking of easy multiples of 64 that will fit in 832. Well, my estimate already gives me a clue that 10 64s will definitely fit inside of 832. So I'm going to do 10 groups of 64, which is 640. And I'm going to subtract that out and see what I have left. 2 minus nothing is 2. I can't do 3 minus 4, so I need to regroup. Regroup carefully. Subtraction will be your biggest mistake. 13 minus 4 is 9, and 7 minus 6 is 1. So I have 192 left. Well, I can't fit another 10 64s in there because 640 is too big, but I can definitely fit one 64 in here. And I definitely can fit two 64s in here. So I'm going to guess maybe I can fit 3 64s in here. So I'm going to come out here and do a guess and check off to the side. Let's see if 3 64s will fit inside of 192. I'm going to use the standard algorithm over here of multiplication to do this. 3 times 4 is 12. Put down the 2. Regroup the 1. 3 times 6 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. Oh, and it's exactly 192. So I do know that 3 groups of 64 is worth 192. So I can subtract that off. 192 minus 192 is 0. When my leftovers, when my remainder is smaller than my divisor, I know I'm finished with my partial quotient, so I can add up my groups. How many groups did it take me? 10 plus 3 is 13. So it took me 13 groups. But that is not my final answer because the question is, how many furnaces? So my final answer is 13 furnaces. Woo! And so we have a solution. Oh, but I fell in the water. Oh, sorry, water. And that solution is 13 furnaces. It will take me 13 furnaces to cook all my cobblestone at once. Mystery, bam, solved. So let's prove it. All right, let's prove this. I've got a bunch of furnaces here. Oh, I need to put that 4 bits of stone out of the way because that's not part of my problem. I'm going to grab all the other stone, and I'm going to see if I can fit it into 13 furnaces exactly. All right, let's set up some furnaces here. All right, I got 1 furnace, 2 furnaces, 3 furnaces, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 furnaces. And in this furnace, I'll put 64. And in the next furnace, I'll put 64. Putting cobblestone in furnaces. Woo! And 13 furnaces, and that's all my cobblestone. It's all gone. So, not only has our mystery been solved, it's been proven. Thank you for joining me for this episode of More on Math Minecraft Mysteries. Leave a comment or a question below and feel free to subscribe. Join me next time for another marvelous math mystery in the world of Minecraft. And remember, if you're not confused, you're not learning. Bye!